Clove oil is a popular remedy for itchy scalps, calming itchy skin and treating scalp conditions like seborrheic dermatitis, scarring hair loss, and scalp itch. It detoxifies the scalp, removes grease, debris, and pollutants, promoting hair regeneration and preventing breakage. Excessive hair loss can be caused by weak hair follicles, harsh climates, and scalp issues. Untreated hair loss can lead to balding, thinning, and a receding hairline. Applying clove oil to the scalp can hide bald spots, strengthen the hair shaft, and add volume to tresses, making them look lustrous and lovely. Dandruff is a common scalp issue causing itching, skin flakes, and self-esteem damage. Clove oil, with its antifungal and antimicrobial properties, can help eliminate dandruff and soothe dry scalp conditions. Clove oil is a natural nutrient that aids in hair loss, strengthens existing hair, and adds volume. It improves scalp health, promotes healthy hair growth, and combats dry and split ends. It contains beta-carotene and vitamin E, nourishing hair and scalp. Its antimicrobial properties keep the scalp clean and free from hair loss-causing infections. Clove oil is a natural conditioner that deeply conditions rough hair strands, providing shine, protection from damage, and reducing frizz. It also helps eliminate frizz and breaks ends, resulting in smooth, shiny, and strong hair with essential fatty acids and proteins. Hair breakage is a major cause of hair loss, influenced by factors like heat damage, bleaching, and stress. Cloves, rich in micronutrient manganese, can prevent breakage by strengthening hair strands and preventing graying through antioxidants like eugenol. Clove oil, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, nourishes the hair shaft, making it more resilient and less prone to breakage. Cloves are used for skin and scalp issues due to their antimicrobial, antioxidant, antiviral, anesthetic, and antiparasitic properties. They are often applied in clove oil to treat dandruff, cleanse the scalp, and reduce itching. Eugenol, an antioxidant, has dual antihistamine and pain-relieving effects. Grey hair is a common but unavoidable stage of life, especially in late 20s due to health issues, hormonal abnormalities, or harmful lifestyle habits. Clove oil, with its special ingredients, can help boost the pigment production in hair, providing a natural color boost. Clove oil, rich in vitamins and minerals, is a natural remedy for hair growth. It improves blood circulation, nutrient supply, and oxygen levels in the scalp. Regular application of diluted clove oil, containing eugenol, promotes hair growth, repair, strength, and shine.